Good evening, fellow orb whisperers. Nice shot there. Exit stage right.
That orb just came right in the middle of the camera.
I was out on the balcony doing my pushing, trying to connect. As that one went by, it made a swoosh sound that the phone picked up while recording. I slowed it down, and it appears that there are several orbs moving in formation. And then they went back behind me and then zipped up. I've seen that formation in other people's videos and nothing quite as close as this. So pretty much orbs can join together to make a form. While I was making dinner, I decided to just muck around. My son's watching TV. Just like to say that Nisya Shakati, I hope I said that right. She has a brilliant Facebook channel and a YouTube channel, of course. Her speakings are that orbs are not beings, they're not healers, but vehicles, higher electromagnetic energy fields to carry extraterrestrial life forms, interdimensional entities, and sometimes human spirits reduced to electromagnetic frequencies for them to move between dimensions.
Wow.
And that was awesome. The orb checked out my fingers and then kind of maybe grew as it got closer to the camera.
Awesome.
Practice, practice, practice. Everybody. I was just trying out Orbs Realms little trick with the iPhone and the iPad. Thank you, everyone. Have a great night.